Dodo the baby elephant woke up early, his eyes twinkling with excitement. Today was a special day. It was his first visit to the zoo. "Wake up, Dodo. It's time for the zoo," called his mother. Dodo jumped out of bed and quickly got ready. He wore his cutest hat, packed his favorite banana cookies, and filled his special water bottle. "I'm ready," he trumpeted happily. As they reached the zoo, Dodo's trunk wiggled with excitement. "Wow! So many animals," he gasped. First, Dodo saw the playful monkeys swinging from tree to tree. One little monkey stuck his tongue out at Dodo and giggled. "He's so funny," Dodo laughed. Next, he saw the mighty lion resting under a tree. "Roar!" The lion let out a big, deep sound. Dodo stepped back, his ears flapping. "That was loud," he said, but his father smiled. "That's how lions say hello." Dodo trotted over to the zebras. "They look like walking black and white paintings," he said. Nearby, a giraffe stretched its long neck to munch on some leaves. "So tall," Dodo whispered in amazement. At the pond, the penguins waddled in a funny line. "They look like they're dancing," Dodo chuckled. He tried to waddle like a penguin, making his parents laugh. At the end of the visit, a zookeeper told Dodo, "These animals need love and protection. We must keep their homes safe." Dodo nodded and smiled. "I'll always care for animals and nature." As the sun set, Dodo waved goodbye to his new animal friends. "Today was the best day ever," he cheered.